You're now watching Rips.
We'll call it 90,000 on the day, ladies and gentlemen. There it is. That's exactly what we were looking for. There's that 35 tag as promised.
You're likely going to be a lot better than you were last year, as long as you take it seriously.
And Rips shows the Jack 8. Cash is flowing to Rips.
Look at that, just getting absolute back.
And it's Rips winning one of the biggest pots of the session.
Wow. $250,000 on the week, baby. Let's go. There's nothing that makes me happier than when I see you folks win. Can it hold this push lower below 80s? This would be a big break if we can hold this push. $6,000 on the day in our Lucid Pro account. This is your entry. This is your ad. This is your takeout. Boom, right there.
Good morning, everybody, and happy Wednesday. Happy hump day. If you're here with me, YouTube, Discord, Kick, or X chat, go ahead and say what's up. Let's see who's with us this morning. Jay Prowse, Uncle Bark, Hockey Shane, Mike, Julius, Does Yama. Good morning, Brian. Tashi, Parizal, Jay Wayne, good morning. McGrubb, Paul Yoon, John Amos, Richard Harris, Cranberry, and Michael. Day Trader Rick, Digital Leo, TDG, Mishu, Day Trader Rick in the building, Christo, Lugmax, Stan, good morning to you. What's up, Woodson? How's everybody doing this morning? We have a lot to trade today. We do have a payout to take, if that is updated yet. I don't know why the dashboard actually on Lucid ain't updating for that. I'm not really sure what is going on there. I guess Rhythmic accounts don't update like the TraderBait accounts do. Kind of annoying, but maybe we'll have to wait until Globex to take that payout. Billy, Zach, BC, Shab, Denver, Marco, Zach, what's up? Push with the pull, Gringo El Diablo, Lido, good morning. Mick Gruff, what's cracking, baby? Market is pushing up here. Continuing to push up. We are at a double topping area right now where we found a lot of liquidity earlier. See if we can take anything here in our Apex evaluation accounts. Trying to see if we can take this liquidity all the way up to that 40 area, line in the sand here. Nice little scalp there to the top side. There we go. A lot of momentum this early on. Nice to see it back in the market again. Chaos Trader says just set up Lucid Trade C account and Rhythmic took some time for data feed. Gotcha. Yeah, for me personally, it is been really great. I'm just wondering how long it takes to update the profit for the day. I guess they changed that to the end of the day now. I don't know. I'm locked out of my Lucid accounts because I don't want to touch them accidentally. You know. What's up, Yogi AG? What's cracking, baby? What's up, Focus Chan, Cam Dingo, BLT? Mine updates, Rip, just refresh the page. Damn. This whole time, all I had to do was refresh the page. That's fucking insane. Huh. Wow. Oh, weird. Doesn't work. Not like I haven't refreshed about 150 times already. Yeah, Pentagon briefing right now. What program do you use to lock yourself out of accounts? TradeC has a built-in lockout function. Control-Shift-R, as in like refresh the cache as well? No way. Is that a thing? Oh my God, look at that. Wow, still doesn't work. Unbelievable. Haven't tried that one either. What's up, Arthetra? What's cracking, baby? Ribs, I'm trading on TBT. Love the daily payouts. Do you recommend taking profit every day? Yes. Absolutely. 100%. We are still pushing up here. Had to log out, log back in and trade C. Interesting. The trade C is not the issue. It's just the Lucid's dashboard. So I just want to request a payout. But I traded during Globex and it just hasn't updated it yet. We are still pushing up here. Anybody still long? Diamond Heads has passed the Lucid Flex and went live last week. Had them both close to payout and blew them overnight. Damn. Wait. Why didn't you just have like a daily loss limit for yourself? Stan says, Rips, you have to wait until 6 p.m. EST to take a payout from Lucid. I had to wait even though I passed early in the day? It wasn't like that when I took my first payout in Lucid. I swear to God, maybe they changed that. Did they update something? Or is it only on TradeC accounts? That's where I'm kind of lost. Because when I was trading on my Tradeovate Lucid Pro accounts, it was instant. Anybody know or can confirm? Wow, look at this squeeze right now. This is crazy. What a squeeze. This is crazy stuff here. Yeah, I'm looking at potentially trading more of my Apex evals today. My end of day 150k evals. How many people are still trading their Apex EOD evals? These are the 150ks, so I gotta make 9,000. Nice work there, Ron's Funk. What are you trading? Dude, there are so many people that are trying to buy this shit still. It's crazy. If we reclaim 862 with strength, this thing should be able to go. National going live. Who are you going live with? Tradeify. Nice work there, buddy. Congratulations, sir. Happy to see that, especially from you, man. Okay, trying this long again at 62. I want to see a breakout of 62 here in my Apex EOD evaluation accounts. I want to see a hold above 62. And then possibly a retest of 70s here. There's your 70s. Gonna peel out a little bit here. Leave one as a runner. And stop down on the rest. There we go. Very nice. Using 62 as our backstop there. Nice scalp. Nelson says, so you don't trade your live account on NQ that much. Got out of the Apex trailing drawdown threshold, smooth sailing from here. Nice. So you're trading the new trailing drawdown accounts then? Vito says, oh man, wake up early today, saw 24,545 and thought, this is a good place to long. When will I listen to myself win? I don't know. Not sure. Yeah, markets are looking to take out London's high right now. Lot of green here. Digital Leo says, I used to watch another trader trade props, and to be honest, really respect your pace. Than saying I am rich, I'm going to full port till I pass. Mad respect to learn the skills from you, Rips. Nice. There's your London high, just got taken out. So London highs just got swept. 68.50 and 900s are holding. This is really starting to squeeze here and open up. Seeing if they're going to contain this underneath 920. It doesn't look like it, so we're still holding here. Watching on this slight pullback. There's still people that are pushing this squeeze currently. The US can contain or sustain this fight easily, says Hegseth. I want to see this reclaim that 920 area. So holding at 900s here. If they force us back down to like 895, that's an interesting area where I want to definitely add at. Because that was your prior breaking point. I should get my stream deck in my lap here. We're holding right at 900 here. We want to see this extension above 910. Watching for the blowout of 910 here. A bit of relaxing in the liquidity, but we should be able to entertain liquidity all the way up to 920 here. I don't like the lack of buying above 910 currently, but we should be able to get above that. Seeing some feathering into that 15 area. Not a lot of bids that are chasing behind that, which is a little bit concerning, but we should be able to get through that with one forceful push. Watching here just above 900, there is an exchange going on towards that 915 area. Yeah, there's somebody defending 915, but if we can blow out that player at 915, we should start to go. I might have to reduce my size into that. Like right now, it's holding above 900, but there could be somebody that exhausts those bids temporarily. That first consolidation above the London break, we might have one little refresh to the backside here. Want to see that pop back over 910. We are currently holding the London expansion. And now somebody's feathering 905. If we again break through that, we shall see this expansion back up through 925 here. So it's all about timing. Watching here on the expansion above 905 through 910 and then 915 tagging. We just need one little pop through that 910 player. Should open up a stop run into that 915. But right now you see there's a little bit of defense. Okay, 895, adding in right here for the expansion through 905. We have ADP coming out in 1 minute's time. 1 minute's time for ADP, so I want to reduce my size into that push of 910. Watching here. Here's the push into 910, reducing some of my size up here. Nice. And covering the rest. So we got to be flat for ADP. If ADP wasn't coming, I'd still be holding that. Yeah, I'd still be holding this if it wasn't for ADP. It's primed. It's just too close for ADP. ADP can just fuck us up and drop 30 points in a flash. So I just, I liked the look, but we just didn't get there in time. It's 5 seconds now to ADP. Be careful. Yeah, that was the push of 915 that I was waiting for, but that's how timing goes when you're trading around, live news. All right, ADP coming up at plus 63 versus a plus 50K. The best showing for job gains has just been shown. So July 2025 was the last time that we saw job gains this high. Let's see. Pulling back to 900 here. Obvious consolidation. A bit of a pullback in equities, but nothing crazy. How was Globex? Great. We made money in our Lucid accounts, so we are ready for a payout in those. But I thought I'd be able to take a payout live on air today, but for some reason, last time I traded on Lucid, the dashboard updated instantly, and now it's like with Rhythmic, it's not updating instantly, so it's kind of annoying. I have enough to take a payout, right? 4,500 is the profit goal, the target. So hopefully can get there and then take a $2,000 payout per account. Rips, did you reach 9K? No. All right, pulling back here. And we are touching back into that London breakout area. I'm curious if we would pull back. I'd love a pullback back to that 62 area, but that's asking for a lot. Got to take payouts whenever you can. I'm with that, yeah. Last night's stream was a banger, extremely educational, inspirational. Always learn something new when I tune in. I would recommend anyone who missed it to go watch it on repeat. Yeah, we're going to be, my editors are going to have a field day with that one. Should be a lot of good nuggets that come out of that. Market has been really nice the last few days as far as movements go. Clean expansion. Will you be trading more? Just join. Now that you're here, probably not, to be honest. Everybody's kind of waiting for you to show up, and we're probably just going to cut the trading the moment you showed up. So, my mind thinks all is taking into account. Okay. Got called up to Top Step Live. Let's go, baby. Rips, what is the consistency rule on Lucid Flex Funded? Let me check for you. Uh, 50%, it looks like. 50%. Here's directly from their FAQ. Oh, okay. So in funded, there's no consistency. I've never traded the flex ones. Let me see. Lucid Flex, funded rules. Yeah, there's no consistency rule in funded. My bad. Evaluation there is. So. Rose might have missed your answer earlier. What is your recommended daily loss limit on different account sizes? Give me the prop firm, give me the setup, and I'll let you know. Give me exacts. Give me one exact example that you're asking, and I'll tell you. Is NQ insanely thin today? No, not at all. Nope. Nope. All right, so we're back below the London breakout. Getting back towards that 62 quarters. Just locked in a 10K Lucid payout. Nice work there, Justin. Let's go, baby. Which accounts are you trading? What size? How long has it taken? Love to hear some more information. Points gamble. Let's do it. Points Gamble is live. Lucid Pro, third payout with 5 accounts, 50K. Let's go, baby. Past 2 TPT 50K accounts. Let's go, Digital Leo. That's what I'm talking about. I'm going to take that short here. That extension into 890 was super nice. If we pop back up to 85, I want to add there. We have 42.5 to the downside here in the S&Ps. They're gapping the spreads a little bit lower here. I'm looking for a 70 extension on the downside. Watching for these sellers to get hungry below those 70s for a little bit of a flush. 42.5 is what we're looking for the downside on the S&Ps. So nice first consolidation out of this push down. Again, pushing up to 85 and 90 is fine because we get a better average. There's your touch of 70s. Looking for a clean roll. And 42 halves is the area we're looking to pierce to the downside. Adding one more here. Targeting the microstructure below 70. Should see that clean resolution now right below those 70s. Took off one and out the rest. $62 is the target now. Mo Cash says, thanks, Ribs. Got by my $200 that I lost last night. Let's go, baby. Nice work. Loving these Apex EOD accounts. Me too, man. They're great. Chubu says, gosh darn, I need this in the morning. Your commentary plus my own strategy gets me green every day. Thanks. Big money. Let's go. What did I miss here? Let me read this one. Good morning, Rips. Good morning. I know you said that you've talked about Apex MAE violation, but on Friday they took 25% out of my account and set me back a day of trading for the violation. I have no idea what I did wrong. I've reached out to support, but no response. Can you explain? Thanks. You violated the MAE. It's just that simple. You went more than 30% for the maximum adverse excursion in your trade. So if you put on a trade, and let's say that the maximum adverse excursion that you can have in a single trade is $700, your drawdown in that trade exceeded $700. It's just that simple. On the new accounts, there is no MAE rule. There's nothing to track. So I feel like switching on over to those accounts is kind of the move, if you're asking me. I still have my wealth charts accounts that are a third of the way past, and I'm probably going to cancel them, you know? They'll double penalize you. They took away funds for that day and reset the 8 days. This is on a legacy. Yeah, the MAE rule is a non-negotiable. If you're trading on the legacy accounts, the MAE rule is a non-negotiable. There's no... Like, rules are rules, right? It's like getting pulled over for going 150 miles per hour in a school zone and telling the cop and being like, I just fucking gas pedal, man. Just, fuck. What do you think the cop's gonna do? Tell you what, man, I'm gonna give you $10,000 for doing that. And by the way, the kid that you hit past there, probably never gonna walk again. Here's another $250,000 for you, buddy. That's not how the world works. Last time I checked. I saw some chatter on X about Apex maybe unbanning some people. Do you know anything about that? There is a rumor floating around that they might be unbanning people that were evaluation banned in the next 2 weeks to try the new products. I don't know if that's confirmed. In fact, let me go to the source. Let me see. Let's find out. I'll let you guys know if I get a response. Hi, Ribs. Can you tell me what VP, what vice president you use on your screen? Is this the SVP, DVP? It's the VRVP. Visible range volume profile. In the new Apex EOD in the PA account, does the 50% consistency count in the drawdown period or only once you get above the threshold? It's only once you get above, I mean, what do you mean the drawdown period? It's consistency. So you're in the, what size are you? Tell me the account size and I'll give you the exact answer. What's the account size? When you guys ask these types of questions, it helps me out tremendously if you give me the exacts. Because if you give me the exacts, I can tell you exactly what you need to do, what your goals are, all that. Makes it a lot easier for both of us. Okay, so going to their help section here, which again, tough to find this. Going to their knowledge section, okay. All right, so 50K performance account, your profit goal for your first payout is going to be payout number one, $1,500. Okay, your safety net is going to be $1,100. $1,100. Okay, minimum number of trading days is 5. Okay, consistency is going to be 50%. So the most that you can make in a single day profit-wise is going to be $1,300 if you're trying to get to the baseline profit. $1,300. Okay. $1,300. Does that make sense? Yeah, so $1,300 is the most that you can make if you're trying to get the baseline profit, right? You can make more, right? But me personally, I try to stay around what that profit target is. So if you plan on making $10,000 by the time you get to your first payout, you can make $5,000 in a single day, right? The best way to calculate it is that whatever you're trying to get to for your final goal in 5 trading days, a single day cannot be more than half that amount. So if you plan on making $9,000 in 5 trading days, overall, you can't exceed $4,500. Hey, Rips, I'm coming to Vegas for a wedding anniversary with the wife. Give me some recommendations, bro. Recommendations on what? Hotels, casinos, restaurants, brothels, girls of the night, nightclubs, bars, drug dealers. What are we asking for? That's a very open-ended question. How many micros should a fairly new trader use on a 150K EOD freshly passed account? 1. We are pushing down. We still haven't traded. Oh, actually, we did. Look at that. We tapped into 62 almost perfectly. What was the low there? You're kidding me. Was that real? Wow, 63 and a quarter, and I said 62 and a quarter. We hit 63 and a quarter. Isn't that something? Are you trading primarily with the information on Bookmap? The information on Bookmap is available through a multitude of different ways. You can use a DOM on any platform. You can use time and sales on any platform. All that Bookmap does is it leaves behind a visual representation that makes sense to me. Dude, every single time I'm answering a question, there's fucking 9 people squawking my ear. I don't know what the fuck they're on about right now. It's so fucking annoying. Every single time I start to talk, these fuckers won't shut the fuck up. It's so annoying. Good Lord, everybody's so fucking active today. Try speaking a sentence when there's fucking 9 people in your head. Schizophrenic people in chat are like, I know, right? Gamble channel points, hot dog. What happened? 8:46. We're still 14 minutes away, man. What's up, Buckle Luck? How are you, buddy? My ex heard voices and saw faces. Was your ex real, or did you make it up? I apologize if this has been discussed ad nauseum. But how does Apex make money if they're giving 100% profit payouts? So people spend money for evaluation accounts. If you think for a minute that most of the people that are watching this stream are taking that evaluation account, activating it, and getting a payout, I have beachfront property to sell you in Oklahoma. It's like trading is so fucking hard, dude. I know that you are probably on social media and you're believing the bullshit that is spread on social media, like that people are just, oh, it's so easy. If trading was easy, man, there would be no money in trading. Trading is extremely difficult. They make money because it costs money to use the evaluation and then activate the account. And most people are going to go through a lot of evaluation accounts because trading is so fucking hard. And most people are going to buy a PA account and then fail it. That's the reality of it. The 90% failure rate, the 1% that actually stay profitable over time. Yeah. TJR isn't profitable. That is correct. That's why he trades on a paper trading scam brokerage. Good morning. Did you become friends with Adalto Carniero? I met him. He's a very nice person. I met him last week. Very cool person. Less than 1% make it to the second payout. That sounds about right. I mean, trading is so fucking hard, man. Like, it's, the math works out. It's the same reason why CFD firms do so well. It's the same reason why all of these scammy Forex brokerages do so well. They don't book a single fucking trade. Every single person that signs up for, like, okay, like TJR had a brokerage, right? A little scammy brokerage because he's a scammy little fuck. He's a scammy little fuck. He had a brokerage. I think it was called Hero Trades or something like that. So somebody would take their money, their hard-earned money, they would wire it to this scammy little shithead, and then they would trade on his little shit fucking scammy brokerage. Every single time that you took a trade on TJR's fraudulent, scammy little fucking brokerage, he would never book one of your trades because he knows you're going to lose. So they just pocket that money, and he goes and spends it on MDMA on the weekend because he's a little fucking drug addict. So that's how that whole thing works. TJR, nice guy then. Yeah, totally nice guy. A little fucking Nepo baby scammer. It's all good. Hopefully we'll have one person getting taken down in this industry for being such a fucking obvious scam. TJR is funny though. LOL. Well, hey, I guess that. Oh God, I guess that gives them a pass to commit felonious activity, huh? I guess that gives them a pass. He's funny though. Fuck it. Let him commit crimes. Yeah, Alex G is another one. Correct. They all have brokerages, FX brokerages, where they don't book a single person's trade. They take your money that you deposit in the brokerage. Imagine if I think about it this way. Imagine I send my money to AMP, $100,000. End of the year, I want to withdraw all my money, a few $1 million. AMP hasn't booked a single one of my trades. They got to take money from somebody, somehow, some way. But no, the best part about those scammy brokerages is that they have their own spread. So even if you do become profitable, they can just stop you out and fuck you up. He's not funny. He's cringe as fuck. I agree with you. He's a brain dead little fucking Zoomer. Absolutely brain dead. If people think that somebody that fucking retarded can trade, holy shit. That's the problem with this trading industry. People put too much faith in retards. I understand I'm retarded, but holy shit. That's a next level fucking brain dead retard right there. TJR is funny as my wife's boyfriend is a cool guy. That's exactly, dude. Some Stockholm syndrome bullshit right there. Dude, he's so funny though. Great. That's what we need. Ribs, I've seen your YouTube ad at least 20 times in the past 2 days. I don't know how much you're pumping into those ads, but I can tell you it's working. Nice. That works. I thought Tim Sykes was the godfather. Yeah, be careful. Go ask Tim Sykes how much money he's made. It's not about me. It's about my students. Right. That's amazing. How they don't get locked up? Fuck if I know, man. Maybe he'll be the first of many in this fucking industry. It's ridiculous. The one that annoys me is side trades. I don't get how people buy his bullshit. Bro, people want to believe the most fantastical nonsense on planet fucking Earth. So TGR loses is not actually a lose because of his own broker. He's never traded real money in his own life. Never. Or maybe he has, but he certainly doesn't show it. Anytime he's like, hey, I lost 300,000 a day. Or I lost 150,000 a day, or I made 150,000. That's all bullshit. It's his brokerage partner. It would be like me being like, hey guys, I made $2,800 today times 20. Right, hold on, 2,800 times 20. Guys, I made $56,000 today. But then leaving out the whole part about this is an Apex evaluation account. I don't get paid on this, right? It's the same kind of vibe. Like, wow, I made 56,000 a day. It's the same vibe. Yeah, all in his, I love that too. Like it's so funny. Like you can screen share your charts, but you know, we don't have the technology to share your fucking scammy little fake brokerage from your phone, right? Oh, hey, look, I got my trades right here, guys. It's so fucking ridiculous. What do you think of Big Daddy Max? All the interactions I've had with him, he's been very nice to me. So I don't really know him outside of my interactions with him. Yeah, Alex G, again, he's another person who makes money off of getting people on his fake brokerage, and they just make money on all their deposits. It's the same thing as essentially owning a prop firm, right? Prop firms don't book your trades because it's sim funded, right? But at least they're upfront with it. They're not lying to you and saying, oh, deposit money in our brokerage and, you know, withdraw your trade. Like they're not booking any of your trades, you know. Rips BN, learning ICT concepts for the past 1.5 years. I've managed to secure 5K in payouts, but I'm not consistent. Been thinking I should learn how to use volume as CME is regulated. Yeah. I think it's crazy that if you're not using volume, it's telling you a lot about where the price is likely to go. Mamba FX, he's another one. Again, like if you're these people, TJR, Alex G, Mamba FX, all these people are located in the US. Why are they not trading on a US regulated brokerage? Do you know how easy it is for me to do that? And do you know how easy it is? Like I did it all last year. I showed you the broker statements all the time. I logged in live in my account, live on stream. I opened up, hey, if anybody can show me that any of this is fake, I'll give you 10-1 on my money. Like that is what it looks like when you're trading on a real brokerage account. If you're in the US, that's what you do, right? Like that trades by Psy guy, SCI. If you are really able to trade, you trade on a real brokerage account. It's just that simple. There's no reason to do anything otherwise. Doesn't make any sense. Why would you ever, let me do these little weird fucking, I got to take 12 positions in my FX MT5 account. Like what the fuck is all that shit? It's bullshit. It's retarded. It's complete scammers. Are you saying Alex G and others are fake? Absolutely. See, this is why this is why we have a problem in the trading space. Somebody literally just asked me that question. Wait, hold on a second. I'm confused. You're talking shit about them here and you've said they're fake a million times. Can you clarify? Are they fake? Because it wasn't clear. You've only said it about 800 times. Anyway, the price action's going sideways. This is why we're shit talking right now. Hey, Rips, are they fake? Oh, God. Who are legit in the space? Anybody who's showing you a brokerage statement. There's your answer. Even the people who run those rooms for $600 to trade over voice who used to work in the pits, they're scammers too. Just because they're old fucking dinosaurs doesn't mean they don't know how to scam you. They're fucking scammers too. Because if you ask them for a broker statement, what do you think they're going to do? Oh, I don't want to make you jealous. Anybody who doesn't show you a brokerage statement is lying to you. Simple as that. Just that simple. It's very easy to produce a brokerage statement. How was it seeing Dodgy the other day? The kid is a good kid as far as a person goes. Don't know anything about his trade. But he's young. He's very, very young. I think he's like 22 years old. You have your brokerage statement pinned up somewhere online? Go through my Twitter account. Ribs, I just got my first Lucid account. I'm using TradeC. Do you have any settings for it? No. Just the out-of-the-box default settings. Dodgy will never show broker statements. He said, yeah, because he's not a profitable trader, right? I don't think he's going around telling people he's profitable, is he? I'm pretty sure that's kind of the meme, right? He tells people he's not profitable. Hey, Ribs, do you have any details about Apex Live program? No, I have no details about it. The very first person that can even get into an Apex Live account is going to happen on April 10th, which is still over a month away. Once we get closer to that date, I'm sure we're going to find out some details. I just said that Dodgy knows that he's not profitable. That is correct. Again, very simple. Ask for broker statements. If somebody is purporting to trade real money, ask them for a broker statement. Simple as that. Another thing I want your opinion on, Rips. A lot of the younger kids these days talk about it having a 100% mechanical models. I don't believe in that. I believe the best traders use a lot of discretion. I agree with you because I'm a discretional trader. What's up, Bandati? What's cracking, baby? What's going down? What about a short over here? Don't like any of this right now. We're in a wide consolidation. Pretty unpredictable. Oh, Atul, what's up, baby? They changed all the YouTube names. It's fucking annoying. I don't understand why YouTube did that. YouTube's updates are always shit. How you doing, buddy? How's your trading been? Have you tried pupusas? Is that like, sounds like a type of teepee. What the fuck is pupusas? I've never met Matt at Rocket Scooter, no. But again, any kind of interactions with social media with me, he's always been pleasant with me. Rips, the MFF Rapid account seemed like the exact same freedom in sim funded as Take Profit Trader without the 5 eval days. Thoughts there? I know you rep only the best. So my funded futures, I was affiliated with them. And then one day I was checking on my affiliate revenue with them and they just stopped paying me. And then they didn't give me a reason why and they cut me as an affiliate. So if they're willing to do that with me, I can't recommend them. They still have not to this day given me a reason why they withheld paying me. So not interested in recommending them. If they're willing to do that to me, I can't even imagine what they're willing to do to other people. You know? They've done that to a few people. Exactly. I mean, it's not just me. That's what I've heard as well. So You will never catch me recommending them. No. Let's see here. How to be tight. I got you, buddy. I want to do some giveaways today, too. Nut In Trader and Mamba FR. I got you already. I got you your Apex account. Nut In Trader. If you're here, I have an Apex account for you. Let's see who got paid here. I think it's got to be the overs, right? 901. Overs win this one. Let's do another one. I want you guys to be able to gamble your points here. Let's do 906. Five minutes for that prediction. Who are we talking about? MFFU. MFFU. To be honest, I've never even actually traded a single MFFU account ever in my whole entire career, so. How do you join the giveaways? I'm new. I'll let you know. It's usually just putting in a keyword in chat. It's pretty basic. Make it really easy for people to win giveaways. Lots of other props talking about the Apex changes should be good for traders. 100%, guys. Riffs, when did you know that your inner emotional state and focus had grown as a trader? Huh. Was there ever a time when I like pinpointed something? I'm thinking. I guess when I stopped feeling excited when I was in a position, that was probably like something where I felt like when you start to feel indifferent when you're in a position, I feel like that is kind of a signal, I guess. Could be the reason they stopped paying you. You never traded with their accounts. I mean, to have no communication as to why is the dumb shit for me. That's not a professional business. That's bullshit. Like, that's learn how to run a fucking company, retards. What was the name from the guy who you were supposed to contact you from MMMFFU? Luke. Whoever the fuck Luke is. It's not surprising his name rhymes with puke. But yeah, they owed me money too, and they just fucking decided, yeah, we're just not gonna pay you. So, whatever, bro. Whatever. Enjoy your shitty little company that nobody cares about. I certainly don't. I certainly don't give two shits about it. Technically, that is stealing. Yeah, and I could sue them, but I would prefer not to waste my time with a bunch of fucking losers. You know what I mean? I got better shit to do with my life. Murin talking? I don't see that. I do not see that. It's not even on my calendar. Goolsby comes later, but that's about all I have on my calendar here. Not enough to sue over? Yeah, I mean, dude, nobody wins in those types of lawsuits. The lawyers win. Waste of fucking time, dude. I got better shit to do in my life. How's your relationship with Top Step right now? Great. I love Top Step, man. Never have any issues with Top Step. Every single interaction I've had with Top Step has been pleasant. Apex and TBT are the top firms now. I like them both. Aaron has been chatting since 8:30. I mean, they haven't said anything recently, though. It's been 23 minutes. 23 minutes. Nothing really great. 25 bips. Credit issues. Nothing really sticking out to me. 100 basis points of cuts is their base case. That's 4 cuts since they want to move in 25 bips. Currently using Apex Lucid Tradeify TPT. That's literally all these. Poland cuts their base rate by 25 bips. There you go. Nothing really happening here. Thoughts on Funded Next futures? Their new promo for Bolt account seems solid. That's another one that, not really interested. That's another one where they wanted me to be an affiliate partner with them. And if you've ever clicked their link for any other affiliate and I promote them, that other affiliate gets all of my promotional money. So it doesn't make any sense. Like, what a fucking bunch of retards. How do you trade underneath 10 seconds? Count to 9 and press a button. I don't know. What do you mean? When you're in a trade, count to 9 and then close it. Boom, you're under 10 seconds. Tops have made good favors to all prop firms by doing market research on a model that will work in terms of account types and parameters, so other firms should say thanks. Sure. That's a good way to alienate your promoters. I mean, it's the dumbest shit I've ever heard. Like, and they're too stupid to figure it out. Like, it's literally the dumbest shit I've ever heard in my life. So basically, like, if somebody was promoting them 5 months ago, they're going to forever lock in all the affiliate revenue from anybody who promotes them in the future, no matter what. Fucking retarded. Little scalp off the 900 short. Nice work there, Gus. Let's go. What do you think about Top Step brokerage? I think it's a great move. I think it's cool. I think that having the ability to go from a payout directly into a brokerage account is a fucking cool thing. I think that's dope. Anybody who doesn't like that is a prop firm gamer, in my opinion. Right? If you don't like that, you're trying to just game prop firms and you don't really want to be a trader. Great for taxes too? No, you're still gonna have to pay taxes on it. Think about it. You have to pay taxes on the reward that goes in your brokerage account. It's the same thing as if they paid you out to your own account. Unless there's some fucking loophole I've never heard of. Call them sim farmers? Yeah, that sounds about right. Wonder if you'll be stuck using TSX on their brokerage account. I would assume that they want you using TopStepX. Somebody's talking, somebody's saying something. Somebody got fucked on a short here. Qatar says, to fully shut gas liquefaction today, we need 2 weeks to restart. What did that do for... Fair. Do you have any vid on how to understand and read bookmap? I mean, just a lot of my videos go over a lot of what I'm looking at, but I don't have a comprehensive course out for that now. Snag that long, nice. Beautiful. Nice little blip in the price action. Not really seeing any equities that reflect that move. What about the depth of market? What about it? EU reportedly expects to be exempt from Trump's global 15% tariff. That was what made that pop. There we go. I was waiting for that. Thank you. Finally. Jesus. Don't know why that took so damn long to come out. Kind of annoying. So EU reportedly expects to be exempt from Trump's global 15% tariff. That was why we saw that pop. Good morning, Rips. I just passed my Apex 100K account yesterday. Just thought I'd share the news. Let's go. Is that an EOD account, Chris? I'm guessing EOD account. Nice. Way to go, buddy. I love it. Yeah, if I would have seen that news earlier, if it wouldn't have lagged so much, I literally got the news within the last 50 seconds. If I would have got it sooner than that, I probably would have shorted the shit out of that. It's annoying. I hate when it's slow like that. I hate when the algorithms get it and then they hold it and then they just fucking don't let me have the news. Like, tell me what's going on here. More tariffs right after they found them to be illegal. Good job, Trump. There you go, Tiger. Just realized you can set risk settings inside TradeAvate. Yeah, that's been there for a while. What are a couple of your top trading rules? Be patient. Be patient. Put your stops around market structure. Size within what your risk parameters are likely to be for your account size. Pump incoming? I mean, I don't think so. We're just trading around this midpoint right now. Congress will never implement tariffs because they are too busy eating children, evidently. There you go, Jack. Somebody's holding 880s here. There's a slight bit around that area. Does TradeAvate have volume profile? Yes. I had it on one of these charts. Let's see, indicators. Volume based. I forget what it was called. Profile. Volume profiles. There we go. I don't remember how to enable it, man. No idea. I used to have it on my charts. I forget how I had it there, to be honest, though. I don't know. What do you think needs to break to send it into a specific direction? 880 to the downside would likely interact back at 62 quarters. To the top side, you're looking at 925 for a breakout. Kind of dead until then. That's weird. I don't know why I can't see the volume profile. I've had it on my charts before in TradeAvate, but I don't know. Weird. No idea. Chart settings, day volume profile. Let me see. Chart settings. Okay, chart settings. Day volume. I have that, but it's not showing. Maybe it has to wait until yeah, maybe it has to wait until the session opens up, but like, man, it's not showing anything over here, and I have it turned on, so I don't know. I don't know, bruh. Order flow add-on must not be enabled. I don't even know how to change all that shit. Fuck if I know, man. Check add-ons. Where? Shows how little I care about TradeAvate. Where are the add-ons? Top right, add-ons? Top right. App settings, top right. Hold on. Whoops, I did that again. Add-ons. Oh, Order Flow Plus, activate. There we go. TradingView, activate. Okay, cool. Now what? How do I just refresh the page? Reload it? Hey, there it goes. Thank you, everybody. That works. We did it, champs. We're the greatest. Now we have it. Wow. Wow. Amazing. Why do you prefer edge clear over trade evade? Are you talking about the platform? Or are you talking about the brokerage? Edge clear is not a platform. Trade evade is a trading platform. Dude, so I'm the retard that won the 50K growth. I realized I did the @ It just pasted my fucking username here. I'm straight retarded. Sounds about right. I try to tell people, don't put the @ symbol, don't put the @ symbol, don't put the @ symbol. I could say it 100 times and just for some reason just doesn't register in the old noggin. Bought a new 50K Lucid Flex yesterday, placed a trade, and the power went out before I set a stop loss, lost the account. Sorry to hear that. Platform do you use to trade on Apex? Trade evade. Trade evade. Rips, I see that you look for the DOM VRVP volume profile, or sorry, volume dots when entering a trade. See that you use both candlesticks and volume bubbles. You use FVGs. No, not at all. I draw the lines manually as an indicator. Rips mod will drop the link for the indicator for you. I'm ready to gamble. I'll tell you guys what. I'm ready to play some stake. I am tired. On the trading view chart, we are inside the 1 minute leg ranging. Is it a break of that leg or you look for a higher time frame? Well, I need volume. Otherwise, we're just going to be drifting in this bullshit. So, there's no, I'm not rushing to find a trade. There's no reason. I'd love to have some news come out, displacement, and then, hey, we got something. This would have been a great area for me to short, but I don't take trades just based on bullshit, right? I need to know what the news is that's causing that spike. If I don't have the news, then I'm not going to trade it. My indicator's not on trade evade. It's my game of choice on stake. I don't know. You're going to have to tune in to the kick stream. All right, let's see what Ripspawn wants here. Huh? The fuck are you asking me? Oh, you're talking about because that has the old rules? Is that what you mean? Because it has the old rules? Oh, then no. Yeah, forget it. Oh, skip it. Overs win. Unders won. Pay the unders. Overs won. Thanks, guys, for being so clear. Appreciate it. Okay. 906. 883 spot 25. I'm so good at picking the lines, it's unreal. It's the unders, dude. 883 spot 25. Do another one. Do a big one for you guys. There you go. Have we ever had a channel point bet high. I think once. Chris, you can jump on over into Kick and just get in there early. We're streaming live on Kick right now. There's no ads. You get free accounts. You get free prop firm accounts just for watching over on Kick. I mean, it's kind of a no-brainer. The longer that you're in the Kick chat, the more channel points you generate. Channel points are redeemed for, like, look at, somebody just redeemed a 50K Lucid Flex eval right now. How do I find you so I can gift you this? I stream on Kick every single day for about 4 or 5 hours, so, and I'm live right now on Kick. No ads, you get free fucking shit. So. Tom, what's your username on Instagram or X? So I can send you this free account. Don't put the @ symbol. And I can give you a free account, buddy. All right. Thank you. Easy peasy. Which one do I prefer? Kick. All right. What did you redeem here? Let's find out. You got a Lucid Flex eval. There we go. Lucid Flex. There you go. Enjoy. Have fun. What's up, Caspars? How are you? What's your Kick handle? Ripsmod will drop it for you. There. Or I can. Ripsmod is probably busy. There you go. There you go. Bro, I can't stop reading Mind Over Market. So effing interesting, yeah. I beat you to it, Ripsmod. Suck my balls. You lose. You lose, buddy. Suck my dick. Do you give away Tradeify accounts? I'll show you. Literally everything, bro. Look. For those of you that are not understanding here, first of all, everybody on Kick, say hi. Say hi to the YouTubers, Kick. Be nice. Let's see how they treat you guys. Say hi to everybody on YouTube, guys. Anyway, here's the channel point store right here. These are all the things that you can redeem on Kick. Apex eval any size, 50K Tradeify growth account, 50K Lucid Flex, 50K Lucid Black, 50K Lucid Pro, 50K TPT, 150K Lucid Flex, 25K Tradeify Lightning funded. We've had people that have redeemed Lightning funded accounts and gotten a payout, and their cost has been $0 to get a payout. $0. Anyway, that's Kick. There you go. And Kick is free. It's entirely free. There's no ads. The stream is usually faster. It's just better. Lucid Black is gone, correct? Yeah, I actually got to remove that from the store. Thank you. You're right. You right. Let's see. She gone. All right, fixed it. But it's only on Kick right now, not on YouTube. Yeah, YouTube doesn't allow me to do the same type of prizes and shit, unfortunately. Ace Trade says, Rips on Trade, see when you place a trade, do you have to have brackets set up or move them, or is it automatically there? Well, you can have a setting that automatically does brackets, but I don't do that. I just drag from my position. Am I looking for upside or downside? We're in a range right now, so I'm looking for neither. I'm up money right now. I'm not trading my Lucid accounts because they're going to get a payout. I'll take a payout during Globex, and then my Apex EOD accounts are sitting just fine. So maybe I'll trade. Oh yeah, I have TPT accounts. I think I traded them already. Let me see. Yeah, I traded my TPT accounts to make $125. So there's that. Whatever, dude. And then I have my Alpha Futures accounts, which are almost halfway to passing. These are evals. Yeah, the Kick platform's goated, dude. There's emojis. It's just more fun. I don't know. YouTube is kind of blah. Is what it is. Opinion about Alpha until now. I haven't really. The problem was I was trading the shitty accounts. I had a funded account, but it was like a one contract account, so I didn't give a fuck about it. So I blew it. I had a funded account. I just couldn't trade with one contract. It's just not the way I trade. So now I have these fucking gangster accounts, these 150K. So we'll see. Right? I'm not going to sit here and lie to you and be like, oh, they're great. Like, I don't know. I'll find out. Got to trade them first, you know? You like Vaporwave? Yeah, I do. How'd you learn to trade? Self-taught. Self-taught. I've had a couple mentors along the way, but, you know, self-taught. Which broker do you use for a personal account? Edge Clear is my introducing broker for a different brokerage, and AMP is a brokerage that I use. So if you're looking for a brokerage to place you, or you're looking for an introducing broker, I would highly recommend Edge Clear, because you can tell them exactly what your net worth is, how much money you have, what you're looking to trade. They're going to find you the best broker. AMP is just right out of the box very good. Do you only scalp? No. Can you please add Alpha Futures accounts on Channel Point Store Trading Mentor Ribs? It's not up to me. It's up to Jerome Powell when things are added. I can remove things, but I can't add them. It's truly up to Jerome Powell. Hey, Ribs, question. Sure, you scalp trades, but during your trade analysis, how far do you look back? It depends. If I'm looking at trading a microstructure, I'm not going to look very far back. If I'm looking at a structure that existed prior, then I'm looking back when it existed and seeing what happened. I mean, the answer is it depends. It's always contextual. Like we had the London break, so obviously we're paying attention to what happened prior in London and watching the London break, and we scalped the London break. That was it. I mean, I'm not looking like, oh, what happened 16 days ago, you know, looking at the microstructure. How are their commissions and fees? Who's they? Edge and other IB like them usually have a min size account to work with them, right? I mean, dude, if you go to Edge Clear and you're like, dude, I got $2,000 to put in a brokerage account, they're probably not going to spend too much time with you. AMP will take you with $2,000, I'm pretty sure. Like, you can trade micros with that, I'm pretty sure. Or I don't know if they have a minimum. I'm not sure. First of all, I don't think you should be trading a real brokerage account if you put $2,000 in. I think it's fucking ridiculous. You should be trading on props. You're not ready yet. AMP will take you. I mean, they'll probably take you, and then you'll probably smoke that account in a couple weeks, if that. How do you decide if you will scratch your trade if it's not going in your favor? Just by watching the order flow and watching, like, for instance, I've gotten into trades even in my live brokerage account, in my cash account. I've gotten in trades where I'm like, yeah, I gotta get the fuck out of here. The worst is if you're in a trade and you have size on and it's like starting to look ugly, like the signs are showing you. And one of the hardest parts about being a newer trader and an experienced trader is understanding the difference between the two situations. One, when you're sitting there and you're like, man, I don't know what I should do. And the second is like when you know that you should get out and actually being a man and getting the fuck out of the position. Or women, whoever you are. But I'm just saying, like stepping up and like swallowing your pride and be like, I'm fucking wrong. I need to GTFO this trade, right? Tried to sign up on Kick, even username already taken. Well, I'm sure you can have something creative, right? Riley says, I started my live account with 100K this year. It's currently at 140K. Not that that's very impressive, bro. You're at 40%. What are you talking about? How the fuck is that not impressive? You're already beating hedge funds on the year. What are you talking about? How is 40% not impressive? What fucking planet are we on where 40% is not impressive? Huh? You said what? Is that one of those fucking like humble brag things where you're like, hey man, I put $10 million in an account. I'm only up 1.8 million this year. It's not that great, dude. Man. Not able to find your indicator on TradingView. Did you pay for the premium access? Did you pay? It's $999 today only. Did you pay for the premium access? I'm kidding. Ripspot will drop the link for you. It's free. It's free. Dude, it's free. I'm fucking with you. It's totally free. God damn. I don't charge for anything, man. It's free. Ripspot is going to drop the... There you go. There it is. There's the link. Question, what do you think about stop market scalp 1 minute before market opens? Stop by? No. That's gambling, dude. Flip a coin. Just got your ad when I joined your live stream. Well, it's working. Amazing. It's working. I mean, it's kind of annoying that they're serving ads to people who are already watching my stream. That's pretty inefficient if you ask me, but yeah. If you don't want ads, watch on Kick. Kick is superior because of no ads. Where's the time and sales on TradeSeat? Good question. Let's see. Huh. Very good question, actually. Do they not have it? Yeah, that's not good ad effectiveness, is it? Yeah, you know what? I've never seen the time and sales on... I don't know. I see the DOM too, but I don't see time and sales. That's weird, huh? Interesting. Ah, well. Good news is I don't use the time and sales there. All right, 10 minutes till the market opens, Buckle Rooskies. Get ready. It's time to shine, baby. Enoch. Yo. Freaking legend. I'm going to repost that. Absolute legend. Well done, man. Way to go, dude. Go look at my my ex. Just reposted Enoch. He's one of the viewers in here. He's just killing it right now. Congrats, buddy. All right, 10 minutes till the market opens. I'll be right back with you folks. Don't go anywhere. All right, we are back. Anybody who signed up with code RIPS on Stake US, apparently another 24 hours until you get your 25 coins. 25 stake coins. Good shit. Get it and get it and get it. You got mine this morning. Let's go. Bang. Yes. All right. So if you're I mean, do it sooner than later, right? Do it sooner than later. Yeah, I asked them about any exceptions for code. They said just, you know, they didn't give me this advice, but just make a new account. Literally, just make a new account. Make a new account. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to participate in the leaderboards. Just make a new account. Close your old account, make a new account. You didn't hear that from me, though. Coming down to that 62 level. That place seems like a scam, to be honest. Stake? Why? Huh? Why don't we have a stake command yet there in there, Rips Mom? But maybe just bad luck after dropping some cash in the account. Happy to support Rips and add a little money to it. Do whatever. I don't think it's a scam. It's you're not gonna win money in a casino, brother. It's a fucking hobby. It's fun. If you ever work with other types of influencers who are looking to get more profitable, I have people who would work with you and intro you to like big celebrities. Sure, man. There's something we're working on right now, but yeah, send me a DM on Instagram, send me a DM on X. On X, it's way harder. On X, I have fucking a million requests, so it's better on Instagram. DM me on Instagram. Instagram.com/ripstrades. Yeah, just send me on IG. But if it's like some fucking scam, dude, don't waste your time because I'm not gonna respond to it. You know, if you're like, I'm an appointment setter and I'll edit your videos and derp derp derp, like, dude, if you're legit, then I'll talk to you. I get so many retards on X who are like, hey man, love your trading. I'm like, cool. What can I help you with? They're like, I'm an appointment setter. The fuck is an appointment setter? Rips, I looked at your website but didn't see which prop has the fastest payout time. Rips mod, that's homework for you. Someone is saying this is how you can add Rips code in there. Profile settings, offers, then put in Rips. That is correct. That is correct. And that's how you can be a part of our leaderboard. Rick L06, how do I find you? Are you already in the cord? I see that you redeemed. Rick L. What's your name in there already? Rick L. RL? Are you RL? Okay, cool. Sweet. Got you. Thanks, buddy. Make it easy on my life. Market's opening in 2 minutes. 2 minutes, everybody. I'll probably trade my TPT accounts. I'm good on my Apex right now, so. All right, you're good until April 28th, brother. All set. Nice bets today, bud. Do you have a Discord? Nope, we do not. Just Kick and YouTube. That's it. All right, I'm switching over to TPT. Bang. TPT. All right, it's gonna be tough. It's gonna be tough. Let's see what we can do here with TPT. Have you tried Bloom Energy? It's really good. No. The next energy drink that I will be trying will be, they sent me some fucking Liquid Death. They sent me a few cases. News at 9:45, correct. Posted about that in the morning memo. Rips Mod will link you to the morning memo. You can get it sent to you every single day, as well as be part of the text message list, which is cool. You love the liquid dust? I've never, dude, it's sugar-free, because they know I drink sugar-free, so never had them before. I got a whole backlog of Red Bull to drink right now. Like tons of Red Bull. Cargo ship in the Strait of Hormuz is getting fired on right now. Not great. The Straits of Alex Hormozy. 30 seconds here. 30 seconds. Those some profits today? I'd say so. There's some profits. There's some profits. Yeah. Certainly not from yesterday, that's for sure. Dude, if you guys are asking, these are Apex accounts, these are TBT accounts. Apex, TBT, Apex, TBT, Apex, TBT. There you go. We're all on the same page, great. All right, here we go. Markets are open. What's going on? Why is Microsoft just frozen? What are you doing, Microsoft? Market is pushing up here. NQ a little bit more exaggerated than S&P's. Breaking out here, new high. We just broke out of the prior hourly high. Big green from Microsoft. It was just sitting there, and somebody just went fucking crazy on the buys. We're up to the tippy top of the range on the S&P's, pulling back currently. Let's get in here a little bit. Jake Paul got your Celsius contract. That son of a bitch. Markets are holding right here at the point of control in both the S&Ps and the NASDAQ. Tesla rejected off the lows. Nvidia is weak, though. Nvidia and Google both sort of weak. I don't like how we're just painting around the point of control here. It's not super great. Watching on this pullback, potentially. Very weak on this pullback. Some people coming in on over the top in the offer, but they're sweeping that. Pulling back to 900 with some softness. Still a little bit weak into those 900s. Google's still a little bit weak, but we are holding 900s currently. I'm going to try a long here since we're holding 900s. Wanting to see this crest out up and over 940 here. Not looking for a huge trade, but I'd like to see an expansion above 940 and start to see some shorts getting schmeckled here. Nice little pull. I'm going to take that off. I didn't like the hesitation into 950, even though I think we'll sweep it. I just don't think that we'll do it instantly. So back out there. Nice little trade, little scalp in our TPT accounts. How are y'all doing on this open here? I would have liked a bigger pullback there. Nvidia's starting to take shape, starting to catch up. S&Ps are generally pretty weak here, underneath 6860. We're cresting out at the top of this volume shelf now. I think we'll sweep 950 now, yeah. It took a minute. I would have loved a stronger pullback there. That would have got me back in, but yeah. A little bit unpredictable there. Yeah, ES is definitely the laggard. They're not pulling back super strong. Makes me think that we are going to start sweeping up towards 975 here. I'm taking this long. I will add to this if we pull back to 925. I just don't want to be too late to this move. Watching on the pullback now. Adding right here, we're still drifting above 925. Looking for a clear out above 950. Would add on a breakout of 950 here. We're not breaking out yet. Adding right here for the breakout. There are some folks feathering at 950. Watching on this pullback now. Adding again, looking for a 950 clear out. Pulling back to 925 now. There are some players feathering and anticipating the break of 950 here, which I do like to see. Trimming into this push. Trimming one more out here. Another out and covering. Nice. Beautiful. Whee. Lame sideways action? I mean, life is what you make it. Drop a W if you caught something similar to what I was looking at there. I mean, just playing around those key levels. Nice pullback, tested to 925, found some strong bids, gave me the confidence to add into that pull back above 950, feathering out. That extension almost took us right to 975, which is what we talked about on that pullback. So, love to see it. It's tremendous, tremendous range trade right there. Micro power leveled up to 20 micros today. Let's go, Dusk. Way to go, buddy. W, but don't the props not allow such quick scalps? Well, because I'm an influencer, they bend the rules for me. And in fact, I'm not actually even taking these trades. I have a robot that takes these trades for me. I sell that on rips.fake for $999 a month. Where do you guys get your... I'm just curious. Is there like a website called bullshitproplies.com where you guys get all of your weird fucking news from? Like, I'm just curious. Like, where do you guys get your... I thought props didn't allow you to trade the NASDAQ on the open. You know, it's weird. I thought that Apex banned all traders. Where do you guys get your news? Like, where the fuck do you guys get your news from? I'm curious. Be honest with me. Where the fuck are you guys getting your weird news from? I just don't understand it. See it? Oh, that's funny. Bullshitproplies.com? Yeah, sounds about right. Shit on rips.com. Nice pullback now. Really nice pullback. Hey, Ribs, watching you and following you, your comms and learning to read the market actually helped me a lot. Now I'm one day away from my first payout with Apex. Nice work, Undefeated. Good comms, baby. Good comms. Good comms. The only nasty prop is alpha that don't allow scaling into position within 2 minutes. Huh? Wait, is that for real? Are you serious? Well, that ain't going to work for my style of trading. What the fuck? Why would they do that? Huh? I'm looking at their... I gotta see this. I gotta go to their website, check their rules. Are you guys fucking with me? Well, I'm not trading on alpha right now. Let's see, FAQ. What's the rule called? Scaling? Scaling plan, copy trading, standard plan. Where? Oh, prohibited. Hold on. Scalping. Tick or micro scalping, trades less than 10 ticks and less than 2 minutes. Consistently just opening and closing positions less than 2 minutes to make profits without any plan. There you go. We win. It's without any plan. If you're just like, and you know, that's not real trading. I'm actually trading, right? I'm actually trading. So, and I have a trade plan. So I'm not just fucking spurging out and clicking random buttons. Yeah. There is no must hold past X minutes rule, and we understand that market volatility takes over sometimes. This is only an issue when it is a clear pattern in the trader's profit. There you go, guys. You can't take the fucking first 3 words of the sentence, take it out of context, and ignore the rest of it where it explains that absolutely everything is totally normal. You know what I mean? Back to propfirmbullshitnews.com. Is the news important that is coming up in like 5 minutes? Not super important, but I think it will move the market a little bit. This has been a great market, let's be honest. This has been a fantastic market. That rejection under 975, fantastic. I'm done trading on TPT. I have Apex to trade and I have Alpha to trade. I don't know what I'm going to trade next, if anything. We still have our Lucid accounts too. Let me see if they updated the P&L on Lucid. Let's see. Still not updated yet. I want my money! I'll take a payout during Globex today. Since we've already taken one in regular trading hours, we'll do it for the Globex flows. How many people are enjoying the Globex streams out there? How many people are enjoying it? Good. Love that. I'll keep doing them then. I put a lot of effort into these streams. If you didn't know, I put a lot of fucking effort into these. And, you know, my whole goal is to see you folks being better traders and trying to share what I can through everything I've experienced in my 12-year journey. So that's the whole point here. We are rolling. Isn't it crazy what we're rolling to? 62, just straight to it. And then literally the first bounce on this extension to the downside is literally right there at 62 quarters, as if we've had that level drawn on our fucking chart this whole time. This is why levels matter. Literally the first kerfufflation on that pullback. Look at where it is, 62 quarters. The very first kerfufflation. Crazy, right? Why are the bubbles red and green and not either red or green? Because God made them that way. Your insight is highly valuable to a lot of people out there. People truly appreciate it. As long as you enjoy it, continue. Some days, I enjoy it more than others. Jay Lush says, I love Globex. Finally started to make money after losing for so long. Love the commentary. Let's go, baby. Yeah, 62 quarters. What a treat, huh? Don't try to force trades around those fucking levels. You're gonna learn. It feels like, you know, it's when you do this for long enough, you still feel like a fucking wizard when this kind of shit happens. How old are you? I'm gonna be 17 next month. Currently 16. I was born after 9/11. So 17 next month. My birthday is on the 11/2 of Marchuary. But yeah, 17 next month. It's a big birthday for me because it's 1 year away from being able to finally buy the jewel in 7-Eleven. Every single time I've had to use a fake ID when I want to smoke my jewel. And my mom always takes it away, which is fucking annoying. Fuck that bitch. How do you mark out those MC levels? Just using a line tool. Line tool in TradingView. Are those interracial bubbles? Well, if you like red and green, I suppose so. I look at them as more Christmas bubbles, you know? They're more Christmas bubbles than anything. They said they're going to increase the age to 21 the day before your birthday. I hope not. The 11/2 of Marchuary is coming up soon, so... I don't know when you're joking or serious. I haven't joked since 1963, so everything you're hearing on this stream is just a stark fact of reality. That's my birthday too. Wow, no way we share the same birthday. Are you a Sagittarius? Is that your sign? You're a Sagittarius? Mine is on the 31st of April, so we almost share the same. That's crazy. Apple's getting fucking smoked, which is why the S&Ps are so much weaker than the NASDAQ right now. Apple's getting fucking schmackled. Bloomberg just squawked that jet fuel prices are surging, huh? Huh? Why? Why would you even squawk that? I'm going to file that under the category of no fucking shit, retard. What? That's so annoying. Like, why would... That's a loud squawk, too. It's ridiculous. I thought you were going to say they squawk jet fuel can't melt steel beams. That's funny. Only memes can melt steel beams. Don't let your memes be dreams. Let them melt steel beams. I observed it is a delay between what I see in your book map and the quotes in real time. Is there a delay in your YouTube? There's no delay on Kick. Go to kick.com/sellingrips. There's no delay on Kick. There's no ads, and you get free accounts just for watching on Kick. Enjoy. You're welcome. Is Captain Obvious squawking? Dude, I just don't understand that. They literally like did a very loud squawk about that. Like, this just in. There's conflict in the Middle East. No way. For real? Markets are getting schmackled. There you go. PMI, 51.7, slightly lower. I don't know why. I mean, I guess algorithms are looking for an excuse. Quarter of the hour, I guess, as well. I don't trust that. Apple's still getting smoked. The rest of the equities are kind of holding up here. Microsoft has pulled back up. We're still trading slightly underneath the VWAP. Nvidia is above the VWAP. Meta is holding up as well. But equities are really not that... I would like to see more activity. The only one that's really making a break for it is Amazon and Apple. Apple to the downside, Amazon to the upside. That's really it. Deutsche Bank CEO says, I expect a longer phase of volatility due to the war. Wow, we're going to file that under no shit. This is like the foreign minister Wang Yi from China said, the safety of shipping routes must be safeguarded. No shit. No way. You mean you're just not going to fucking bomb those boats for funsies? What accounts are you guys trading on right now? We've traded on TPT, Apex EOD. On Globex, we traded on our Lucid accounts. The only ones I haven't traded on are my Alpha. I'm in Tradeify jail right now, so I can't trade those. What are you guys trading on? Apex, Apex EOD, Apex Legacy, Apex EOD, Lucid, Tradeify, Alpha. 50K real Apex account. Nice. Yeah, sellers are getting absorbed. That's why I said I don't trust this. When that move came down, you're going to hear me give you clues like that when I'm like, I don't trust this. That is me telling you, like, it's not a good short, right? I try to give you the little hints and tricklets that are going to Miyagi you into the market. When the market flushes like that, it's not, there's a purpose behind it, right? And when you can't see it, you avoid it. Top Step Sham, there's nothing, dude, Top Step is a great firm. These fucking... Social media is such a fucking clown show sometimes. Like, Top Step is a great firm, guys. Like, shocker. I don't get paid a dime by Top Step to say that, by the way. Like, Top Step, I think, is a great firm. Unders win? Well, you know what? We're gonna delay it a little bit. So we're gonna do it from this price up here. Let's see. Do the overs or unders win? Oh, looks like the overs win, guys, because look, it's up here now. Let's do another one. You guys lose your mind for that shit. 845, right? Yeah, 845. All right, let's do one more, and then we're gonna gamble at a little bit. Let's do a big one. We'll do one in a half hour. This is gonna be a big one. I'm gonna give you guys 10 minutes for this one. Bam, there we go. E-Trade says, can I get it funded? Sure, of course. What's stopping you? Do you have a credit card? Do you have a web browser? I'm assuming you already have a web browser if you're here in Kick. Well, unless you're on your phone, then you probably could just be using the app. You do have internet because you are chatting in. What else are the requirements here? Any giveaways today? Yes, 100%. I will be doing a giveaway. I'm going to be doing a joint giveaway between Kick and YouTube. It will be a little bit of a scavvy hunt, a little scavenger hunt. A brain. Dude, count me out of that one. I got a dome, but there's very little in between these ears. It's a bit of a wind tunnel. What time frame is your chart on right now? Bookmap is just zoomed in, so technically you can see 7 minutes. I can zoom out, zoom in. I'm just looking at the price action that's trading right now. I want to see if there's any microstructures worth trading. But I'm using that also over here on TradingView on the 1 minute to see, you know, where are we interacting with this microstructure and how does it relate to the RIPS key levels indicator? I mean, to be honest, that's what I'm doing. Exchange up here above 930. We did see a stop run to the tippy top of that volume shelf, but again, it's still not worthy of a trade for me. There's nothing worthwhile for me to trade right now. We're completely range bound, and if you're trying to have hopes, dreams, and aspirations that the market is going to do what you want it to do, that's where you're going to start forcing trades to get really bent over and fucked from behind. No lube, no kisses either. I'm talking about sandpaper penetration. I'm from Holland. I have joints. I have joints too. I just realized that. Insane. Bullish or bearish for the day? How about neither? Here, let me show you. Am I bullish or bearish on the day? Let's see here. There we go. We got the neither pattern. There you go. Incredible. Insane. It's Wednesday, usually range bound. I disagree with that type of stuff. I mean, right now, if Trump made an emergency announcement that Iran has launched nuclear missiles, we would see the market not be range bound. And it would be Wednesday. You know what I mean? So I don't agree with that. Rips, why don't you use tick charts like I used to? I used to use 333s, 555s, 666s, 999s, 1,000, 2,000, 2,500, 3,000. I used to use a lot of different tick charts. Get out those Christmas bells, ladies and gentlemen. It's almost giveaway time here on the Rips live stream. Do you think 10 a.m. news will shift the market? Let me see. Yes, ISM will be important. All right, enough with the Christmas music. Why do they always do this to me? Bloomberg needs to shut the fuck up right now. Like, these guys are so annoying. Seriously, I'm not even joking. Like, can you guys just stop with the obvious fucking bullshit? Hold on. It's not the greatest trading music. This will be better. There we go. You think recent economic data is genuine? It doesn't matter because we're going to have to trade whatever it says. You know what I mean? I don't care if it's genuine or not. It doesn't mean anything to me whether or not it's genuine. I trade the market in front of me, and if there's volatility, I'm appreciative. Lost 1,100 in 2 separate XFAs and made 2,400 on another. I'll take the small win. Nice work there, Tagster. Let's go. You say Bloomberg, I keep thinking you're saying Boomer. That's funny. What's up, John? How are you? Why? Why with the cricket sound effect? Who makes these songs, dude? You know, this song, it could use more cricket sound effect. Who the fuck are these producers, dude? Sound would be fine without the stupid cricket noise. How was everyone's morning? I had a good morning, man. Good morning. Made money in everything we touched. And so, I mean, if people were listening to what I was saying, I feel like a lot of people were able to get green too. We had some great setups. We had some great trades. I do still play the drums, yes. I haven't in a while. I don't have a music studio at my house in Vegas. I had a music studio in my house in California, so I no longer have a music studio. I have 2 spare bedrooms that are set up as bedrooms, so. Okay, here's the latest news, ladies and gentlemen. Focus up. Directly from Apex. Will people be unbanned from being able to buy evals on Apex? The answer is, what kind of kit do I have? A Roland TD30KV, I believe. Roland TD30KV. So will people be unbanned from being able to buy evaluation accounts on Apex if you are currently banned? Not everyone. Some of the people who were abusive will remain permanently banned, but some people will be unblocked. That is directly from Apex. Is there a timeline for it? No, there is no timeline, but they're going to evaluate within the next month. There you go. Rip Swag, can we still do evals opposite way at the same time? I would not do that. I would take that time to learn how to trade. No, I would not be doing that. Do not. Do not come. What's up, Jessica Bird? Will they? No, they won't. I think they will, dude. I really think they will. I think they will. I think they will. I wonder what influencer was banned recently from Apex. I mean, doesn't everybody knew that? Everybody knows who was banned from Apex. Talking about. This is my Apex accounts right here. This is how I'm trading my evaluation accounts. I'm not rushing them. I'm taking it slow. I'm in no rush, dude. Right? I just taking it one day at a time. If I pass them, great. If I don't, hey. And by the way, here's the thing that you guys don't realize that is so nice about these new Apex accounts. If I finish my day right here, the worst I can do tomorrow is still be up $800 from today. Do you understand that? Like, that is such a good change for you folks as traders. Do you guys understand why that's such a good thing? You can't blow your account. I can't blow my Apex account tomorrow. I will still have 800 profit from today if I hit my maximum daily loss limit tomorrow. That's so fucking great, dude. It means less blown accounts, less money spent, more time locked in as being a good trader. That's a great thing. Like, this is a fantastic thing for Apex to do. Which trading software do you recommend? I'm thinking about switching from TradingView to something more advanced, a TOS or Bookmap. I mean, I use both TradingView. Let me show you my, do I still have my, okay, so if you go on my Instagram right now, you can see my setup is posted on my Instagram account. So go to my Instagram account. It's instagram.com/ripstrades. Rips Trades. Dude, we're almost at 44,000 subs on there. In fact, I forgot to post mine. There we go. Ribs, how do I get away from trying to catch 500 plus tick moves in gold and being satisfied with 100 tick moves? Go ahead and look at your own trading record. And if you are faring better over time with 500 tick trades, then stick with those. But if you are noticing through your back testing that if you would have just stuck with 100 tick profit targets, then it's all about your own testing, man. I can't tell you that because I don't know what your trading history is. Otis says, still super grateful for the golden nuggets that were given last night in Globex. Really clicked in my brain. Thank you, man. Appreciate you. Going to Insta. Uno momento, por favor. All right. There you go. On evals, when does EOD stop trailing? My 150K evals trailing me past 152. I think it's like 154. 154, 600. 154, 600. Let's see. Okay, ISM is coming out in 90 seconds, guys. 90 seconds. ISM in 90 seconds. Less than 90 seconds now. Be careful. Please be careful. I'm flat and I'm going to remain flat and see if there's an afterglow trade, but I seriously doubt it. I'm fucking exhausted, guys. Being real with you. Very exhausted. Very tired. We had a great trading day, right? If I could be satisfied, there you go. How do you get your levels of text notification? Ripsmod hooked you up. GG's off to the day job. Stay green, fan. Thank you, Biagio. Congrats, man. Great day. Up 820 and 1512. Another great hump day for me. Let's go, Brian. Let's go, baby. Does the higher time frame... What did I miss? The higher time... God, where's the question? Does the higher time frame picture play any influence in your bias coming into the morning? Yes, 100%. I wake up at 2 o'clock in the morning local time. The stream starts at 5 a.m. for me local time. Here we go. ISM. Wow. Holy fucking balls. Jesus. 56.1 beats 53.5. Apple actually bottomed out on that. Not interested, though. Not interested. Magic keys, is it really helpful in scalping? Magic keys is straight fucking ass, bro. Magic keys is probably the worst fucking keypad known to man. Magic keys is literal dog shit ass on a fucking cracker mixed with fucking baby food dog shit. Diarrheaed out on a fucking slop of fucking garbage. That's how I feel about magic keys. I'd rather have AIDS than use magic keys, if I'm being honest. Like 1980s AIDS. Literally. Magic keys is probably for the dumbest fucking people on planet Earth. However, Stream Deck with the nice mushy keys that you can configure to anything you want, right? Look at that. There's little screens on there. Watch this. See all those little screens? See how they're not lit up? Watch this. Boink. Look at that. Now they're all lit up. Look at that. All those little scalping keys, and then I can go back to this profile. Boink. Yeah. Fuck your magic keys. Magic keys can eat my ass with a fucking spoon. Be careful of anybody who recommends magic keys. They might have AIDS. Ba-ba-ba-bum-bum-bum. What's my Insta? Instagram.com rips trades. There you go. Googling magic keys. Dude, it's so fun. Like, I can't believe that people still fucking... Like, it's the worst thing on the planet, bro. It's like, you're better off using your own fucking keyboard. It's such ass, bro. It's straight fucking cheeks. Broccoli. Green on the day. You trade live daily every day. 8 a.m. in the morning and 6 p.m. in the evening. Thinking of using a MIDI control for hotkeys. It'd be better than magic keys, bro. Yeah, Stream Deck's goated, dude. How is your session volume profile so tight together on Bookmap? What do you mean? Because I set my session for the opening. I have also current volume profile so I can see like what's in my viewport, but you can't see that's off screen. Ordering magic keys on your recommendation. There you go. I gotta see magic keys. Do they actually have a website? Oh, look at you. Google magic keys and it comes up for Disneyland. Huh. Magic keys, hotkeys. Let's see. I gotta see this. I can't believe people buy this shit. Are there reviews? Are there actual reviews? Let me see on their website here. Do they have reviews? Oh, this is an interesting review. Using magic keys reminded me of shoving a cucumber up my ass. That's off their website. I don't even know why do they still have that there on their website? That's a 1-star review. Huh. Anyway. Weird how they still have that one up. It's crazy. Nice work, Shanhacks. Are those the legacy accounts or those EODs? Bank 2,300 on the day on 2 TPT 50K accounts. Let's go. All right, let's read this novel from T-Rock here. Rips, I'm sorry if this has been asked before, but your book map shows, hold on, chapter 2. But your book map shows so much more than mine. Does I know it's, hold on, chapter 3. All about zooming out, etc., but I have zoomed out and then I can't see as much as you do, so I think I might, chapter 4. It might be due to the monitor you are using and the resolution must be better than my ultra-wide 3K monitor. Can you tell, chapter 5, can you tell me which monitor it is because the details on your book map and how much it shows exactly what I need? Thank you, good sir. That was a good one, man. I liked the plot twist at the end there. That was good. No idea what the question was. It's just too long. If you go on my Instagram right now, you can see the monitors I use. I have a Samsung 49-inch ultra-wide monitor up top, a 57-inch at the bottom, and then a 34-inch Dell screen right here. That's what I use for my monitors. If that's what you're asking, which monitors I use. Damn, that's crazy. Damn, dog, that's wild. Wait, what's happening to my camera right now? Oh, my bitrate is off. Something's off. Your book map does show way more area. I mean, I have it zoomed out. Look at it. Here, look, I'm gonna zoom it out again. Wow. So much area, much wow. Look at that. If you're asking about like the data, I have the DX feed $14 a month history. You know? Is that what you mean? Is there links to your setup? Instagram. Instagram.com/ripstrades. Damn, Daniel. Do you put a daily loss limit on your accounts? No. Just the one that's baked into my prop firm accounts. Does everyone trade on PC or Mac? Is one around and close a bit higher each time? Wait, whoops. I felt like I had a stroke. Does everyone trade on PC or Mac? Is one better than the other for trading? That's so funny. It skipped a line and it was the same, whatever. Macs are going to be not as efficient if you want to use something like Bookmap. If you're just trying to trade on like Trade-O-Vate or TradingView, a Mac is perfectly fine. Am I done trading for the day? Well, given that, I mean, look at how tight this range is. Like, you know, we had a great trading day. I'm exhausted too. We have one more channel gambles to pay out and kick. I kind of feel like gambling on stake if I'm being real with you. I'm kind of exhausted. How much sleep did I get last night, actually? I mean, this is not a really super choice market to be trading right now anyway. You need some more volatility than this. And I feel like we nailed the volatility that we're given, especially in the microstructure. You know? Oh, fuck yeah, it's Wednesday, baby. I can't wait. I get to hit shoulders today. Fuck yes, let's go. Love Wednesdays. Okay, yes. Let's see. 7 hours of sleep last night. That's why I feel good. I get what he have to fine tune his heat map and put vertical smoothing on at none. Yeah, there you go. What's your highest lift ever in pounds? I don't know. It's not really my thing. How much RAM do you have? 96 gigs. I'm a full-time drummer in Vegas. Where do you play? That's awesome. Dude, I haven't played the drums in like over a year, man. I miss it. Fucking loves playing the drums. I miss that shit, man. Been playing since 2000. Nice. T. Bryson, are you going to play steak with us? Morning, Rich. Just finished my route. Done trading for the day. Looks like it was a good day for you. Yeah, it's fun. I mean, I'm stoked on my profits. The ones that I care most about is my Lucid accounts because I'm going to get a payout from those. I'm happy about my Apex accounts. Another day on those, so great. TPT accounts, actually great too, so. We made an account last night to use code RIPS so you get the 25 free. Gotta go. Always appreciate the content, Rips. Get them boulder shoulders. Let's go, baby. Dude, overhead press is my favorite fucking exercise. Can't wait, dude. I got pretty wide shoulders. God bless me with some wide ass shoulders. Wait, got to do the ID verification? Fuck. I mean, it's very easy. It takes 5 seconds. When are you doing giveaways again? Very soon. Very soon. In fact, here, let's just do it right now. Let's just do it right now. Ripsmod, drop a link in both for Apex. For Apex. There's Ripsmod. Okay, so click that link. Oh, that was Nightbot. This is gonna be for a free Apex, any size account. Where the fuck is Ripsmod, dude? Lateral raises, overhead presses. Yep, that is what I'm doing today. There you go. Okay, see, Ripsmod just dropped the link. Apex coupons. Click that link, okay? Click that link. Click that liggity link. And you're going to scroll down on the page. I'm going to tell you what you're going to have to write in here. Boom, 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 boom. You're going to scroll way down on the page. If it says accept cookies, it does help me out if you say accept cookies. All right. Scroll down on that page. Where's Ripsmod on Kick? That's not, dude. Here, I'll just do your job. There you go. Ripsmod made it. Okay, so scroll down on that page, folks. If it says accept cookies, you can or not. Just whatever. Do whatever you want. Scroll down, right? It says down there at the bottom, it says testimonials. Blank feedback. Type in the word blank. Testimonials, blank feedback. Blank feedback. Type in the word that is blank. Just type it in. What page? God, dude, I don't know, man. I can't help you. Sweet. Everybody's doing it correctly. That's good. So we're going to be giving away a free Apex account, any size you want, any size you want. All you have to do is type in the word trader in chat. If you type it in multiple times, it doesn't change anything. You don't get more luck. You don't get more anything. So all you have to do is type it in one single time. The more you type it in, the less happens. Great start to the 5 Lucid Fund accounts. Yo, what the fuck, National? How are you so good at this? How do you like, National? How are you liking Trade C? How are you liking Trade C, by the way? National? Mr. Reacher? Oh, God. I just want to go work out. God. Ooh, 420, blaze it. All right, we'll do the drawing at 450 participants. Now, to qualify for the giveaway, this is the hard part, folks. This is where most people drop the ball. When you get selected to get your Apex free account, any size, right? Any size, you do 150K, 100K, whatever case. You have to be following me on X and you have to be following me on Instagram. X.com/rips. X.com/rips. On Instagram, it's Instagram.com/ripstrades. Very easy. Very easy. When this goes to 450, we're going to roll it, and somebody lucky is going to win a free Apex account, any size. No purchase necessary. Basically, PXO is good for me. No issues so far. The slow rhythmic dashboard update sucks. I know, it's so fucking annoying with the dashboard. Okay. Here we go. We got 471 people in the giveaway. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Rolling in 5, 4, 3, 2, and rolling. Here we go. Good luck. Good luck, everybody. Oh my God, Barry? Barry? Oh no, Barry, you got robbed. Kick back and oh no. Aaron Monk 89, is that you? Are you our big winner today? All right, Aaron Monk, you have 60 seconds to claim your prize. Congratulations to you. Give it up for Aaron. All right, Aaron. Hey, there you go. Look at that. Instantly. Because he claimed it so fast, I'm going to do another one. I'm going to do another giveaway, folks. Because he claimed it so fast. You see how that works? Because he claimed it so quickly, I'm going to do another one. Let me make sure that you follow me first on Instagram before I start talking all that noise. There you are, Aaron. You do follow me. Congratulations. Give it up for Aaron, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up for Aaron. Nice work, brother. You followed all the rules. And you won before. How about that? Very quick. Give it up to Aaron. You all can thank Aaron that we're doing another giveaway. It is completely and totally Aaron's fault that we're doing another giveaway because he claimed it instantly. Those fucking retards that don't know how to type in their own goddamn username, you can blame them for making the giveaways a lot shorter. Thank you, Aaron, again, for making everybody's day just a little bit sweeter and not being an absolute fucking mongoloid retard like some people that win the prizes. Here we go. On to the next. Bang! Here it comes. Open wide. Here it comes. Thank you, Aaron. S. Kaylee or G. Carroll, I think, is going to win. Or KCH. Hold on. G. Carroll. G. Carroll, where you at, baby? G. Carroll. Big winner. Big winner, G. Carroll. Dude, look at that. So fast. So fucking fast. Guess what? I'm going to say it again. Because we don't have a mouth-breathing mongoloid retard, we're going to do another giveaway. Let's make sure that he followed all the rules here. Hell, we might even keep giving away until we stop on a fucking mouth-breathing mongoloid. What do you mean I put in my username? I don't understand. There we go. Apex any size. Congratulations. All right, when this goes to 500, we're going to draw again. See if we can get 3 more people in the giveaway here. 2 more. 1 more. And bang, here we go. Good luck, everybody. Good luck to all 500 of you that are in the giveaway currently. This is the last one. 3 accounts is a lot. Here we go. Dude, Aaron, almost again. JT does not cook. Oh, man. 333C, D-Berry. Who's it going to be? Oh, no. D-Berry, you got robbed. Z-Man Malcolm 3. All right. It's a YouTuber, everybody. Buckle in. Let's see what happens. Buckle in, guys. Let's see. Buckle in, buckle-rooskies. Hey, there you are. Okay, what's your name on Instagram or on YouTube? Or I'm sorry, what's your name on Instagram or X? Instagram or X, what is your username? Type it without the @ symbol. Thank you, Z-Man322. There you go, Instagram. There we go. Hey, I love it. Dude, it's pretty rare that we have 3 in a row that are fucking on the ball. Thank you, everybody. And you do follow me. Congratulations to you, Zeth, my man. There we go. Apex any size coming your way, brother. Bang, bang, bang. And there you are. Bam. Okay. Congratulations to all of our winners today. Apex any size. Remember, that's any size account that you want. So congratulations to all of our winners today. Always a good time when everybody plays by the rules and does what they're supposed to do. Always a fun time. So those are our giveaways for today. I'm going to continue streaming over on Kick. YouTubers, I will be back at 6 p.m. this evening. Remember, Apex still 85% off. Lucid, 50% off. Tradeify, 30% off. Alpha Futures, 25% off. And then TPT, 40% off, no activation. Who wins in this game? You as the trader. That is why competition is great in this space. Be safe out there. Have a great trading day. YouTubers, I'll see you at 6 p.m. tonight for Globex. Kicksters, don't go anywhere. I'm going to keep streaming on Kick for the next probably 2 hours. Take care, everybody on YouTube. See you. Bye. See you.